Yeah,
I like that answer.
yeah. I'm nervous now. I was okay because it didn't hit me, but yeah, now I'm nervous.
And about your experiences working on the film?
So I had read the book. Am I very loud? Yeah?
So I had read the book. And now you're
Louder? Okay, so I had read the book when I was shooting for Student. I didn't know it was going to be made into a film that time. And I remember reading the book and I'm like, this book has to be made into a film. And I never in the world, even once I found out that it is going to be made into a film and Dharma and Sajid Nadyawala were making it together and Arjun was on board, I never ever thought that it would come to me because it is a very mature character, it is something very difficult. Ananya's characters are such that you have to love her and you do fall in love with her when you read the book. So for me to play that and convince people was a bit scary. But I'm so happy that it happened. The fact that it finally happens is just a great feeling. And I can't wait. I being a book lover, the book's lover, a lover of the book. Yeah. I can't wait for the 10 million and more readers to love it because if they are disappointed, then it'll just break my heart. And I hope they know.
If you don't understand Tamil, then obviously you won't understand it. But I didn't get it.
I think she says it so nicely. वो सही बोली या गलत फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
सही बोल दिया. Yeah. No, because when she was cast,
Oh, सही है.
I
पास हो. आप पास
कहाँ
हो.
से? चेन्नई से हो? अरे, please join us.
I remember.
Everybody from Chennai, come and join us.
I'm so happy. I got a bone. Basics of like being loyal and being chivalrous and not having an issue with who you are. For me, because I feel like I'm very strong internally. I feel like I have a very strong opinion. Blame it all on my family. But for me personally, that's something that I look for in a guy. That he's not trying to push me down in any way. But I think the two most important things is an honest and loyal person and somebody who has a sense of humor. Because I mean, you have to laugh. See, I try to read as much as possible because mommy, daddy,
She's recently learned how to read, so she's trying to read them.
What do you mean?
I know.
But like I can read one book at a time. I need to like concentrate. But so
Like most normal people who read one book at a time.
no, many people read 2-3 books at a
2-3
time.
books at a time.
But like meaning like they in between books are anyway. So my mom and dad will always encourage me to read because they read a lot. So I try to read as much, but not very much. But I like reading. It's really unwinding. You know what? मैं आपको ask की बात बताऊं. I expected only you to ask this question. I thought about it. मुझे पता था कि कल कॉफी आने वाला है. So somebody's going to ask this question. I knew you would ask it. So we have a connection. Anyway, so हाँ, मैंने कहा था.
अरे मिल गया, तो हमें कनेक्शन मिल गया. Finally. चलिए कैमरा मोड़िए, मिल गया दूल्हा, सब खींचिए उनकी फोटो.
आप तो कर लीजिए बिकॉज आप तो मेरे से सीनियर है ना. पहले आप
नहीं मैं आंसर करती हूँ. मैं आंसर करती हूँ. पहले तो आपको तो पता है being in this industry, if I want to marry somebody, I will never say it on national television, and especially on Coffee with Karan. So it was all said just in jest. I'm a fan girl at the end of the day. When I say I want to marry Ranbir Kapoor, it's not that I literally want to marry him. It's just like a fan girl, जो आप किसी को घर ले जाना चाहते मम्मी पापा से मिलवाने. लोग कहते हैं Scarlett Johansson बहुत beautiful है. Guys say that we want, but never will they get Scarlett Johansson in their life. So this is something that I said as a fan girl. It's not that I really want to marry Ranbir. Been going whenever there's media, we've been really encouraging the youth and people to just go vote. We've learned that there are 12 crore new young voters this year. So if even half of you do your bit, then it'll make a big difference. So please go vote. From whichever state you are, go vote and then come see 2 states. Arjun?